Hello and welcome to my another video. Those are watching my video, I hope all of you are done by the grace of Almighty, and I am doing fantastic. So dear learners, dear amicable group mates, this is Nawaz once again in front of you for making another practicing video. Basically, I always try to make video in different kind of places and different kind of area, and it is the good habit of improving our learning English journey. And if you want to improve our English, we have to practice every single day by making some videos in different kind of area. So today I have come in a different kind of place, and it is about 4 kilometers far from my house. And today is Sunday, that's why our office is closed today, and I have some spare time, some free time. So I thought that it is a good time to visit some kind of area and practice some kind of video for my English practice purpose. So however, right now I'm in a place, the name of that place is Nejadanga, and after coming here I'm totally at a loss to see the natural beauty of that area. So in this video I want to share with you the view of that area. So without delay any time, without wasting any time, let's get started. So if you look my left side, there have one of my beloved brother, his name is Shakil Reja, and he is sitting there, and he is using mobile phone and watching some video from YouTube. And if you look my bike is looking so beautiful. And if you look the if you look the behind side of mine, basically that is a mango garden and it is looking so amazing and so mesmerizing, and I'm enjoying that moment very much. But if you look the ground side, there have some dogs. They have come here for eating some food, and they are searching some food from here. Basically there have 4 dogs. They want to eat something from that 4. No, not only 4, but what one dog is my right side, and he is searching water maybe, and he is very thirsty. Maybe the dog is very thirsty. So however, my behind side there have a mango garden, and there have some mango trees in that garden. And if you look in the inside of that garden, there have a bamboo bushes, and and there have also some kind of little trees in that garden, and it is looking so beautiful, and it is a real picture of that area, and I'm enjoying very much. And if you look my left side, it is a path, and I'm talking from very close to the path. And you can see my left side. If you look my left side, there have a big pond, and it is so beautiful and so awesome picture, and it is very enjoyable time for me, and we are having very enjoyable time, and we are having a ball in that area. If you look the water is very crystal and clear, but it is not suitable for us. But the water is flowing slowly, and it is a real picture, it is a live picture of this area. And if you look the other side of that pond, there have some palm tree. Yes, there have 1 2 3 4 5 6. There have 6 palm trees available on that part. And if you look the underside, there have a bird. I don't know the English name of that bird, just I know it is a bok, যাকে আমরা বাংলাতে বলি বক. So একটা বক বসে আছে মাছ শিকার করার জন্য, for catching some kind of fish for eating. So it is another real picture. And if you look my other side, this side, there have also some mango trees, and The mango trees are gorgeous, so looking gorgeous, and there have one. There have not only one, but also there have some eucalyptus trees. It means eucalyptus trees, and eucalyptus trees are available in our area, and that is the thing. And if you look, the sky the sky is slightly overcast, and it is the evening time. It is the afternoon time, but not evening time. So the sky is slightly overcast. That's why we can't see the sun right now. So that's all for this video. If you want to improve your language, if you want to improve your English, you have to practice like that. So maybe in my video there have many kind of mistakes. Please pardon me for mistakes, but mistakes is a fast way of learn something. So when we are having practicing in the time, we can mistake many kind of mistakes. So don't worry for mistakes. So that's all for today. Hope to see you soon in a new another video. So please pray for me, is that I can achieve my goal, I can fulfill my dream. So hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.